Here we are, guys. Finally, it's been 4 weeks now. I know you guys are probably eagerly waiting for another update video. So here we go. I thought, let me come and sit down after being 3 weeks with my dad. He's now back in South Africa. I can't believe how fast the time has gone. But yeah, guys, here we are, finally back to reality, and I'm super keen to, let you guys know exactly what the future is of Budget 4x4 Life and my goals for this year. 2023 is going to be a big one, and it's already starting to get super busy. But yeah, I quickly thought I'll just tell you guys about my holiday, just quickly. So my dad was basically here for 3 weeks. The first week we spent in Brisbane. I've got a few things we did here. So we basically went to the city. We basically went to the Australia Zoo. That was pretty good. Bribey Island, Mount Mead, Lighthouse Mountains. And the second week was Gold Coast. Just some quick ones. Yatala Pies. We went to Harbour Town, Pacific Fair. We went to Burleigh Head, Surfers Paradise, Tally Creek. We even spent a day at Byron Bay, which was pretty awesome. And yeah, Perlingbrook Falls, Tambourine Mountain. And then we went to the Sunshine Coast in the last week, which we went to Noosa, Double Island, Balloomba Creek at Kenilworth. And man, finally we are here now where the holiday is over. But yeah, let me down in the comments if you want to, an exact video about 3 weeks spent and all the places I went to. Just comment down below if you want to see that video. I wasn't sure if I should make one where I've been in the last 3 weeks, in case you might be wondering, and whether you plan to do a 3-week holiday here on the east coast of Australia, but you're not sure where to go. I reckon we had a pretty good schedule and visited some pretty good places. Now that everything is done, guys, we're going to finally get into it. So let's talk about Budget 4x4 Life. Now, I know you guys are massively supporting the channel, and first of all I want to say thank you to each and every person watching the channel, watching the videos, commenting, asking me about my Pajero, things that I do, what I should do differently. And man, I just really appreciate all the feedback and the comments I get. And to all you guys watching every week, good on you. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, super keen for 2023. This year is going to be very big, guys. I've got something behind the scenes that I'm working on at the moment. It's been a few months now that I'm working on it, so it is pretty big. I'm very excited to release it, or to release the news in a couple of weeks time, maybe in April. But yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm very hard working on that right now, but it's going to be huge, and you guys want to be subscribed for this one, because trust me, you don't want to miss this. But yeah, let's talk about episodes. What can you expect coming? Now, I've got a few episodes that I really need to do. People have been requesting this. So first video is definitely my suspension. I know in the original video I said it's going to be a 6 months review after, and it's now probably been 1 year and 6 months, so it's definitely overdue. I know you guys are asking, so suspension video is coming up really soon, talking about the suspension, and I've got some other things that I'm going to talk about in that video as well, which I reckon is very beneficial, especially to anyone wanting to upgrade their suspension. So stay tuned for that. The next video I want to do is definitely a lithium battery, especially if you're getting into the lithium world side of things, 12-volt batteries. I definitely have a good video coming up where I explain what you should look out for, what battery I've got at the moment, and the things you need to consider. So that's going to be a very good video coming up. There's another one coming up. What is it? Can't remember, there's so many coming up, but let me just quickly go through my list. There's a rundown on my wheels and tires. That's another video I definitely need to do. I've been running the Falcon Wild Peaks tires now for a few months. I think it's almost probably a year already, so I definitely want to do a review on that, which is pretty good. Let's see, episodes, I've got a whole list here. The thing is, I'm so busy, guys, so I'm really trying to get to everything. I'm working from Monday all the way through to Saturday, including university, so it's pretty full on at the moment. The only day that I get to film at the moment is literally Sundays, so I really appreciate your guys' patience waiting for videos. It definitely takes a lot of time, especially filming and then editing side of things. It really takes a long time. I'm not sure if you guys can see a difference, but I also invested in a new camera, so let me know in the comments if you can see a difference. I hope it's definitely looking way better, and yeah, 4K quality is the go, so hope you guys enjoy it. And also thank you very much for enjoying or subscribing to the channel and also watching the videos, because you guys paid off for this camera. So definitely want to get invested into Budget 4x4 Life to create better content for you guys and just to make a better experience for everyone overall watching the videos. But anyway, so some videos that I definitely need to do is rig rundown videos. Some of my mates have some really cool 4 drives that I want to show you guys. My Instant Up 10, definitely need to do a review on that. Suspension, I said, wheels and tires, yes. But yeah, Tech Tuesday videos, there's definitely a few that I need to do more. Let me know if you still love watching those small short videos where I give you some tips about the car. But yeah, so there's definitely a lot of videos coming, guys. This year is more going to be focused on the Pajero as well. There is a lot of products that I need to show you guys, so stay tuned. It's been ordered, it's coming, and I am super excited to share it with all of you guys, because yeah, there is quite a lot that can still be done to the car, and which are actually going to need and be beneficial, not only for me, but I reckon every Pajero owner out there is going to love these mods. So yeah, overall that's it, guys. I thought I'd just give you a quick update about the future. I'm very excited for what's to come. This year is very big. It's my last year at university, so I'm very keen to get that over and done with. Hopefully after that I'll have more time to film for you guys. Another thing, I'm currently with my parents, living with them, so I'm actually moving out in a few weeks. I think it's a month actually, but yeah, so moving out to my own place. I can't wait to have my own time, film when I want, and obviously just bring more content to you guys. So yeah, moving out is a big step. Coming next, more trip videos will definitely be coming, more modifications to the Pajero definitely coming, and then yeah, the big thing that I'm working alongside behind the scenes at the moment is almost done. It's almost done, and then I'm going to release it to you guys. Hopefully you like it. It's definitely a big passion of mine to build 4x4 Budget 4x4 Life as a business as well, and just give back to the community as well. Having Pajeros especially, you guys are going to benefit a lot for the videos that I'm going to drop in the coming months. So yeah, overall I'm very excited. It's been a long time coming. I've been thinking about doing this thing behind the scenes for years now, and I finally found my passion, which is Pajeros. And I thought, gonna give it a crack, and hopefully you guys love what I'm gonna do. And I just wanna, express my love to you guys as well. Watching these videos really means a lot, and I hope you guys appreciate all the effort that I put into it, because it is my spare time that I put into these videos. But yeah, I know it's also for myself. I love doing this, and I reckon I've come a long way. This is now a year and a half, almost heading to 2 years that I'm into YouTube. It's definitely a lot of work. It's hard work, it's time consuming, it's it's end of the day, it needs to be a passion, you need to love what you do, and I absolutely love it. So yes, all my time, money and investment is going into my channel. So big things coming. Make sure you like, subscribe if you want to support me, guys. It really means a lot. If you subscribe, basically means every time I post a video, it will come up on your home screen and you'll be able to watch the video first, which is going to be important, especially for future videos coming. You might want to be the first person to see it, because there's going to be giveaways, and there's also going to be limited things, I would say, if you want to get your hands on it. So thanks for watching, guys. That's my update for today. Hope everyone is having an awesome Sunday. And yeah, just again, thanks for watching this video. And Pajero owners, you want to get subscribed, there's big things coming. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one. See ya.